Right. Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's section on things you should know about rSheet. My name is Ifeanyi Divine, and I'm the head of support at GSM Technology Solution. If you are coming across this video for the first time, you might want to know what rSheet is about. rSheet is a robust school management platform that helps you automate your results, grade your results. It gives you access to financial tracking, your inflow and outflow, your attendance tracking, your morning and afternoon, and a very robust CBT platform. All these things are just in one place. So to sign up, go to rSheet.com.ng/admin and click on sign up. You can also reach out to us. I'll be dropping our support line at the comment section. Okay, so today I'm going to be resolving a common issues most of you have. So most of you come and complain that a particular student, their result status is not showing, and maybe this class, and I've got that complaint so much. So that's why I'm doing this video, to tell you what you are doing wrong. Okay, for the result status, there's just one thing that can go wrong that will make your result status not to show for a particular student. Now let's go to it. So I come to my result sheet setup. I come to my result status setting. So this is where my result status is being set. Now most of you see, as you can see from my own, I have 35.9 to 59.9. Now once my result status is 35 to 59, any result that falls in between these numbers, let's say a student have an average of 59.9, the result status of that student is not going to show. If my student has 79.9 and then my result status is just 79, the result status of that student is not going to show. So this is what you should ensure, that your result status is properly set. If it's properly set, nothing can go wrong. But if anything still go wrong, please reach out to us via our support line. Do have a lovely experience using rSheet. Yeah, see you.